Hi you guys, if you want to learn how to make my easy and delicious sheet pan salmon dinner, stay tuned. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is cut up our veggies here, and I have three, small to medium sized sweet potatoes here, and I'm cutting them up in pretty small pieces. I want these potatoes to cook in a timely manner. You guys know potatoes can take a long time to cook, so I want them to cook fairly quickly, so I'm cutting them up pretty small. Once we have our potatoes chopped up, we're going to go ahead and put that on a sheet pan here that I have lined with foil. So it's just an easy cleanup after dinner. We're going to spread those potatoes out just like so. I also have a yellow and red bell pepper here that I'm going to chop up and add that to my sheet pan with my potatoes. A little shortcut here. I have some onions that are already sliced. It's probably one small onion here. I strongly dislike chopping onions. So whenever I see these containers at Publix, I always pick them up. They're just so easy. I just give them a good rinse and then add them to whatever dish that I would like. So now we're going to go ahead and season these veggies up. I have some extra virgin olive oil here. I'm going to drizzle a generous amount of that along with some salt, some pepper, and a good bit of Italian seasoning blend, which has oregano and thyme and rosemary and sage and coriander, a lot of beautiful spices. And I also added in a little bit more rosemary as well. So we're just going to give that a good stir so all of those veggies get some loving with all that good seasoning. I'm going to go ahead and pop that into a 375-degree oven for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. So as our veggies are cooking, we're going to go ahead and work on our salmon. This is about roughly a pound of salmon. I personally don't like salmon skin. If you like salmon skin, you can just go ahead and leave it on. But personally, I don't care for it, so I'm just going to go ahead and take that off. It's fairly easy to do. You guys saw I just took a sharp knife and go in between the skin and the flesh of the fish and just peel back really gently because you don't want to rip the flesh of the fish. So after that, we're just going to go ahead and season up our salmon the same way that we season our veggies. The only thing I omitted was putting extra rosemary. So salt, pepper, Italian seasoning blend, and paprika. I don't think I said paprika when I was listing the seasonings for the veggies, but I did put a little bit of paprika in the veggies as well. So that is it, you guys. So once the 15 or so minutes are up, this is how our veggies are looking. They're looking really, really good. They're nice and tender already. We're just going to give them a good stir, making sure that nothing is sticking at the bottom. And then we're going to go ahead and just lay our salmon right on top. Drizzle with a little bit of that extra virgin olive oil. Pop that back into the oven for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. And that is it, you guys. This salmon dish is so easy and it is so delicious, y'all. The salmon is perfectly cooked. It is nice and juicy. The veggies are beautifully tender as well. All of those herbs that we use, you guys, just really comes through in this dish. Look how juicy the salmon is, you guys. This was so awesome. It is just bomb. I love my hearty meals, my southern meals, my Italian meals, but it is also good to have some healthy meals in your arsenal as well. And this meal is definitely a great representation of that. It is so delicious, you guys. I can't say that enough. This is definitely a must try. If you do give it a try, I hope you love it just as much as we did. I love y'all so much, and I thank y'all for clicking and watching. It really does mean a lot. Make sure that you head over to my food playlist to check out other delicious and easy meals. Once again, I thank you guys so much for clicking and watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give me a thumbs up on your way out, and I will see y'all on the next one. Until then, bye.